Kalamazoo County voting to declare racism as a public health crisis. They did so at their county commission meeting last night.
Our Lauren Edwards spoke with the commissioner who wrote that resolution. She joins us live now with why she's saying it's important and what this means moving forward. Lauren?
Derek and Annie, I did get a chance to speak with County Commissioner Stephanie Moore earlier this afternoon. You know, she's been out on the streets, Kalamazoo, just like so many people have been, protesting systemic racism. And she said that's one of the reasons why she does it, is just to show people that racism is a problem.
In Kalamazoo County right now, we are declaring racism as a public health crisis.
The county commissioners voting 9-2 Tuesday night on the resolution, authored by County Commissioner Stephanie Moore.
So going forward, everything that we do in terms of policy, in terms of procedures and how we deploy our services in the community, first will be thought of from a race perspective.
Including policing. Moore also introduced a resolution to end police brutality, saying while law enforcement in Kalamazoo is not seeing the same complaints as others nationwide, changes still need to happen.
We've had experiences with people saying, I cannot breathe, from chokeholds to being aggressively arrested.
The commission passed that one too, but Moore says it's not just police brutality. Seeing COVID-19's impact on Black communities is what led her to draft the resolutions, calling it another example of systemic racism.
With COVID-19 during this pandemic, you see that African Americans are most disproportionately impacted with being positive for the virus, but also having the worst health outcomes, including death.
But she believes the work lies in having hard conversations among policymakers.
We have easier conversations when we talk about gender and gender identity, but when it comes to race, most people are very uncomfortable.
But policy and training is what's needed, she said, in order to make effective change in the future.
We saw the turnaround last night. I'm so happy. It's been a long journey, but now we took a big step forward to start really addressing systemic racism in local government.
So Moore says she really wholeheartedly believes that the best step forward is to have those hard conversations in training. Training will provide them the space to actually do things like that. And she also noted that what they declared last night, that racism is a public health crisis, is something that's happening nationwide. Actually, Boston, Indianapolis, and a few other places in Ohio did so as well. Reporting live here in Kalamazoo, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.
Lauren, thank you. Still